you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can receive the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a garbanzo bean salad that's simple and healthy, and it only takes about 15 minutes to make. Let's get started. A small pot over medium heat, I rinsed and drained 2 cans of garbanzo beans, and I'm going to cover them with about 4 cups of water and let them boil for about 10 minutes. While they're warming up, get your tomatoes, your parsley, and your onions ready. Add your drained garbanzo beans to a bowl. While they're still hot, go ahead and add your onions. I chopped half of a medium onion finely diced. Mix your beans and onions together. That onion is going to get infused from the heat of the beans. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then add 1.5 cups of diced cherry tomatoes. You can use the regular tomatoes, but I had some cherry tomatoes on hand and I love the red color that it gives. Also reserve some for garnishment, so don't put all of them. And same for the parsley. I have 1 bunch of chopped parsley. Also save some for garnishment as well. Gently mix all your ingredients together. Then top it off with half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And now your garbanzo bean salad is ready to dish up and serve. Garnish it with the tomatoes and parsley and drizzle a little bit more olive oil on the top and enjoy with pita bread or even by itself. Thanks for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.